The Subconscious Mind Can Do Anything is a groundbreaking exploration into the untapped power of the human mind and its limitless potential to shape our reality. Authored by the esteemed personal development expert John Kehoe, this book takes readers on a transformative journey of self-discovery and empowerment, drawing upon cutting-edge research and personal experiences. Kehoe unveils the incredible influence of the subconscious mind on our thoughts, beliefs, and actions. He reveals the ways in which our subconscious can be harnessed as a catalyst for positive change, guiding us towards achieving our deepest aspiration. Within the pages of this transformative read, Kehoe guides readers on a journey of inner exploration, helping them understand the profound impact of their thoughts and emotions on their daily lives. Through compelling stories and scientific insights, he illustrates how the subconscious mind can be shaped and molded to support personal growth and success. The Subconscious Mind Can Do Anything offers practical techniques and exercises to tap into the hidden potential of the mind. Kehoe introduces methods such as visualization, affirmations, and meditation to reprogram negative thought patterns and reinforce empowering beliefs. Readers are empowered to overcome self-limiting beliefs, unleash their creativity, and manifest their desires. As readers delve deeper into the book, they gain a profound understanding of the symbiotic relationship between the conscious and subconscious mind. Kehoe explains how aligning conscious intentions with the power of the subconscious can lead to profound transformations and attract opportunities previously deemed impossible. Throughout the book, Kehoe emphasizes the importance of embracing a positive mindset and cultivating a resilient attitude. He demonstrates how these qualities can foster mental clarity, boost confidence, and drive individuals toward their goals, even in the face of challenges. The Subconscious Mind Can Do Anything is not just a guide, it is a call to action. Kehoe's message is clear. Every reader has the power to rewrite their life script by harnessing the boundless potential of their subconscious mind. This empowering read empowers individuals to take control of their destinies, transcending perceived limitations, and unleashing the innate ability to create the life they envision. In conclusion, The Subconscious Mind Can Do Anything by John Kehoe is an enlightening and transformative book that reveals the astonishing potential of the human mind, packed with actionable insights and practical exercises. This book serves as a roadmap to personal growth, self-discovery, and profound empowerment. By embracing the principles within, readers are invited to tap into their subconscious reservoir of creativity, resilience, and manifestation as they embark on a journey of limitless possibilities and create the life of their dreams.